To enable a battery saving on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate to the battery section right here, and then we'll be able to find battery mode. You can click on it and then enter either the power saving or ultra power saving. So you can see the estimated time for how long your phone will remain charged. So for power saving, in my case, it will give me 30 hours and 47 minutes, and the other option, ultra power saving mode, will give me 106 hours, and the difference between them is quite crucial, as this option, the standard battery saving, will turn on dark mode and limit some of the system processes so that it can save battery, and the other option, ultra power saving mode, will change our phone drastically. This will limit the screen brightness, also enable dark mode, and you'll be able to access only limited amount of apps that you can see right here. You can add the apps with the plus button, but this will increase that power consumption. To exit, click on this button and then simply leave it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.